Hi everyone, this is Heidi with WTI. This wood room divider screen has been an excellent solution for separating a very long room into a living room and craft room / office. This one is the 6 panel, and it was really a great size because it covers my desk workout area and is long enough to come around the side. So it really camouflages the mess that I have when I'm in the middle of a craft project or even my weights and bench. It's so beautiful. It's made of real wood with very sturdy hinges, which makes it easy to fold and unfold. And the color is so neutral. It's a distressed look and it matches my other wood furniture. I'm so pleased with the quality because it's so sturdy. It didn't require any assembly or installation. I love being able to designate spaces in my home with this wood screen divider. It's such great quality. It's beautiful. And it was just such a simple way to make a separation and hide some messy areas in my home. And that's my point of view.